So today we are going to make a Canva or a certificate using the Canva for education. First, you have to open your Google account or your browser and then search for the Canva for education, and then click the application or the website and then log in your account so that you are able to use the different templates for your certificate. So let's put or search for a certificate. And as you can see, there are a lot of certificates or the templates for certificates that you can use. So we have to choose one that we are going to use. So for today, I will be using this Green and Beige Formal Platinum Funny Award Certificate. So this is how it looks like. You just have to edit the information that you are going to insert into your certificate. So we are going to make a certificate of recognition. You can change the font size. As well as you can change the different font style. So there are hundreds of font style that you can use for any type of application or a template that you want to use. Again, you may change the font style that fits your certificate. And then once you finish your certificate, you can just download it into your computer. You can download it for a picture or a PowerPoint presentation and a lot more. So once you downloaded it, you can have it in your computer or a desktop. So this is the final output of my certificate. So that will be all for today. Thank you.